Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax return with Zerodha. First, gather all essential documents like Form 16, bank statements, and investment proofs. Next, we'll navigate the Zerodha console to download your capital gains statement and other relevant tax reports. This process ensures you have all the accurate figures needed for a smooth tax filing experience, helping you avoid common errors and ensuring compliance. To begin, log into your Zerodha console using your credentials. Once inside, locate the Reports section, which is your gateway to all tax-related documents. Here, you can easily download your capital gains statement, which details profits or losses from your equity and mutual fund investments. Also, ensure you have your Form 26-as, which provides a consolidated view of taxes deducted at source. When filing, it's crucial to correctly classify your investment income. Short-term capital gains apply to assets held for less than 12 months, while long-term gains are for those held longer. Don't forget to include any dividend income received and interest earned from your investments. If you engage in frequent trading, these activities might be considered business income, requiring specific reporting in your income tax return. Finally, select the appropriate income tax return form based on your income sources and total income. Carefully input all your investment details, ensuring accuracy to match your Zerodha statements. Double-check all entries before proceeding. Once everything is verified, you can submit your return through the official e-filing portal. Remember to keep all your downloaded statements for future reference and record keeping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.